Installing our custom linear LED is a breeze with the right preparation. To help you understand, we have broken it down into 4 sections. Pre-wiring and connecting. To save time, money, and confusion, it is important that projects be properly pre-wired by electricians before the linear LED technician arrives for installation. Depending on the project, the wiring can either be done behind the drywall or outside the drywall within a built-in cabinet. Any wiring that is run behind the drywall must be rated for local electrical code. Multi-strand cables are recommended. Wiring that is done outside of the drywall can be run with our CUL-rated low-voltage extension cables with quick connectors. Our quick connectors make interfacing a snap. Please visit the support tab on linearled.ca for helpful tables breaking down wire length and gauge. Wiring and fixture length. The right approach to wiring your project will be determined by the fixture length. Maximum fixture length is 11.5 feet or 3.5 meters. Take, for example, a ceiling cove where each length is equal to or less than 11.5 feet. This situation could be wired in any 2 diagonal corners. A cove with a length longer than 11.5 feet will be wired in all 4 corners. If there's a length longer than 23 feet, an additional wire run must be made. Each connection point should have its own home run wire. Connecting in series is not recommended. Application and installation. Fixtures can be installed using metal clips or dual-faced polyethylene tape. Polyethylene tape sticks permanently to smooth surfaces like glass, metal, and lacquer paint. But for porous surfaces like routed melamine, wood, or flat latex paint, we suggest adding a drop of E6000 glue or clear silicone every 6 inches. The tape will hold while the glue dries, ensuring a permanent bond. Termination and hiding the wires. Proper termination is essential for professional installation. There are many ways to achieve a clean finish. Here are a few tested and true methods. In cabinets and areas you can see, the wire and connectors can be channeled into a hidden pocket through a minimum 3/8 inch diameter hole. Another option is to have a cavity at the end of the fixture. This allows space for the wire to be tucked behind. The fixture is rigid enough to float in this area. In coves and areas you can't see, our quick connectors allow you to connect electrical wires from behind the drywall to our fixture's connector. If this video did not address a question related to your installation, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're always happy to discuss your projects with you.